Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Mortgage Mike here, and it is the 19th of July, 2024. Been a minute. This has been an interesting few weeks. The first couple weeks, as I mentioned, the old 332 was in maintenance, getting its 100-hour inspection and having other stuff done to it to just keep it in tip-top shape. And then this week, I was able to, so far, well, I guess the week's over for me, but put 10.2 hours on the old logbook. This morning, though, I'm doing my first takeoff, planning to do some short field takeoffs and landings in preparation for my eventual check ride. And I'm getting ready to take off and I'm running down the runway and I see this, well, let's just watch.
That's the 332, fly straight out, runway 17
I'm
left
Cessna
for takeoff.
332 in this
Fly
area.
straight out, 17 left, clear for takeoff, 332.
And I was doing a short field takeoff. So you apply all of the
That's
throttle and all
do,
the
runway
brakes.
17 right, clear touch and
It's
go.
17 right, clear touch go. 712.
an exercise used for taking off on a short field.
7 flash right, Romeo, contact
Which
departure.
turned out to be a really good thing because coming up here, I was glad that I was at the point of rotation to get out of this guy's way, which I did not do. Oh. Oh my gosh, I smacked him. I thought it was this huge owl.
Centennial Tower, Cessna 64332, pretty sure I just hit an owl on takeoff.
Cessna 64332, do you require assistance?
I do not believe so. Plane appears to be handling just fine, but I don't know where that little buddy is.
Oh, little buddy.
Cessna 332, Roger, do you want to stay in the pattern or do you want to come back and land?
I felt bad, but I did not hear that transpondence at all. I was checking gauges and making sure that I wasn't falling out of the sky. But they'll say things again if they need to, because they're awesome.
Cessna 332, do you want to stay in the pattern or come back and land?
Actually, let me come back and land and take a look at this 332.
This ends up being
332, Roger, make
really good
left
idea.
traffic for 17 left.
Taking left traffic for 17 left, 332.
And then some of this just gets kind of funny to me.
Pat 592 Centennial Tower, do you want to depart with possible owl, dead owl on the runway, or do you want to wait until Port 5 does an inspection?
Foul carnage.
Yeah, we'd like to wait past 592.
Yeah,
Roger.
we'll wait. Let's clear the runway of dead animals. They shut the runway down, you guys. Oh boy.
Cessna 332, it appears the owl is like just north of Alpha 4 intersection. Do you want to land on 28 instead? The wind is calm.
28 is acceptable, 332.
Cessna 332, Roger. And then the right downwind for 28, you're going to be following a Seminole just passing Parker Road.
Entering a right downwind for 28. We'll look for traffic, 322.
Cessna 712, enable monitor tower in 23.7.
Over to 23.7, 712.
Check 164, runway 17 right, clear to land, and change to and monitor 123.7. Clear check 164, runway 17 right, clear to land, change to monitor 123.7.
So I've never done this
17 right,
approach
clear to
before,
land.
where I'm
Changing to 123.7,
coming in on
clear
a
track.
right downwind for
164.
28 typically.
That's
It's
the
a
3
straight
round
in.
fuel palm, Cessna over I kid or full stop. Change to monitor 123.7 and 17 right, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go,
I'm so
17
impressed
right,
by
changing
these
to
air traffic controllers.
123.7. We have that traffic in sight, 3 Bravo 0.
That's the 332, following the Seminole off your right on a mile final, runway 28, clear to land.
28, clear to land. I have the traffic, 332.
How official do I sound? Man, not bad, Michael. So I turn right base here eventually for 28, and I cannot find 28.
Tower Port 5, just want to verify your show runway 17 left correct?
Affirmative.
Oh yeah, it's closed. I did a number.
Which is 0 Alpha Mike, change to monitor 123.7.
1237 for Riser Alpha Mike.
Port 5, are you on the frequency?
Hey, firm, go for Port 5.
Port 5, the owl appears to be just north of Alpha 4 on the runway, like right in the middle.
Alright, Port 5 copies, and I'm on the ramp at Alpha 4, just like to cross Alpha onto 17 left.
Port 5, proceed on 17 left.
Shooting on 17 left, Port 5.
This is just funny to me. Everyone's stunned about the owl. That turns out is a hawk. But I wasn't like checking out what kind of bird it was specifically as I was trying to avoid it.
Clear check 1020, turn right at Charlie 2, proceed into the right.
Oh, there's 28. Do you see it? Do you see it? I did. Not bad. Maybe a 7.5.
And Tower Port 5.
Considering what had happened, I felt that was a pretty good land.
Yeah, I just want to let you know it'll be a few minutes out here. We got quite a bit to clean up.
It'll be a few minutes. Mortgage Mike destroyed this bird. Aw, poor bird. I did feel bad.
Cessna 332, turn right your discretion, proceed into the ramp. If you do have any damage, please call the tower. And do you need the number for the tower?
I have the number, and yeah.
I don't have the number.
Roger,
for
and if
bad
you don't
reasons.
call, we'll just assume that there was no damage. But we just need to know for our logs.
Roger that, 322.
And there was no damage. Thankfully. All right, everybody. You know, there's never a dull moment in aviation. I've been telling you guys on the channel. I wasn't the only one trying to take off. In this episode of Owl versus Skyhawk, Skyhawk won. All right, I'm back. I'm back with Zach and Lauren. Zach I met a few weeks ago at that safety meeting, and Zach's like, he takes all the complaints. Not only does he take all the complaints, he's responsible for taking bird parts off of planes. Is there anything you don't do, dude?
Oh no, we do a bit of everything here. So
Okay.
we're all here as team players.
Yeah,
so.
thank you for your help this morning. I got pictures to post and a story to tell the kids and the grandkids. And watch out, other Hawks. Skyhawk number 2 for the win. Crazy way to start the day. I finished the morning with 13 touch and goes, trying to get that short field landing taken care of. And drum roll, please. I hit my 100 hours. Now, that's not a thing like you get a prize. That's just a lot of hours. And you're thinking, Mike, I thought you get your private pilot's license after 40 hours. Well, maybe you can. Congratulations if so. Anyways, just wanted to put another video on here. It's been a while. Appreciate you guys' support. Subscribe, watch another video, tell your friends, and keep following. Appreciate you. God bless. Talk to you soon.